guys, I'm back and my boyfriend, I'm back and my boyfriend will be joining me shortly because he's behind the camera. Today we're gonna be painting. As you can see, we have everything in front of us.
What do you want to paint?
I'll show you what we're gonna paint.
Okay, no, stop.
I bought some brushes. Hopefully they're decent. I also bought some canvases and some acrylic paints. And let me show you what we're actually drawing today. Yes, that is Lola, our cat.
Whose idea was this?
Mine.
You wish. You want to paint a landscape.
Yeah, because that's way cooler.
So you're not drawing.
I'm not drawing. We're painting.
Why'd you say you're drawing?
Because
It just shows how experienced you are.
I'm painting with the paint. So this is Lola. It's our little kitten we got 2 months ago. She's about 9 months now. Yes, I know she's big, but she's a big breed. Norwegian forest cat to be exact. And she's so cute.
What do you got there?
Some brushes.
Do you know what kind?
Craft Smart. 9 round and 6 flat. Anything else you'd like to know?
Does that mean anything to you?
Yeah, different shapes.
Okay, so to clear things up, we're both gonna draw Lola. I mean, paint.
Why would you say draw?
I don't know, because typically we don't paint. And let's see who's gonna do it better, you know?
Yes.
Which one we're gonna hang over the bed? That's the winner.
None.
Well, yeah, but it's gonna be beautiful, so the winners will be hung over the bed.
Question though, like should we have a video kind of showing us how to do it?
Painting. We're not doing a video. This is freehand. This is just the skills that you have as an artist. Artiste.
Oh God. Oh no.
Ready to go?
No, I'm not ready to go.
Choose your weapons. We're not painting you, Lola. We're painting a picture of you.
Like what does it matter?
Are you an expert?
We're back in action. Okay. Wait, what color is this?
We're gonna mix on the wood?
Yes.
Okay.
It's fine. AJ, hurry, it's gonna dry.
Cut.
Oh my gosh.
It's fine. We're putting on pause.
Share paint. Because sharing is caring. Am I wrong?
They're just trying to make my painting worse.
No, I'm trying to make your paintings the best.
We're having fun.
That's great. Yeah. Don't put it in.
This is mine.
Okay, then mix it.
You can mix it. I am starting my masterpiece.
Wait, are we not? Mix this.
I'm starting my masterpiece. Your hair is hanging on to my masterpiece.
Why?
I'm left-handed.
Thanks for letting me know. Okay.
Oh, hello! Oh, look, we're painting you. Oh, you're very beautiful.
So beautiful. It's a little baby.
She's not a puppy.
It's a baby. She's a little baby. That's what I said.
So people are gonna think when they see this video, we painted our cat. Like we painted her.
Yeah?
Like what color?
Haha.
Use the end of the brush here for precision.
Oh, so good. Stop comparing.
Yeah, hers just like she has fake eyelashes.
Yeah.
That's gonna reach.
What other color are you making?
Like a light gray.
Yeah.
Mine's good. Who's that? Looks like a glammed up Halloween costume.
That's how Lola looks.
She's pretty glam. A little bit of a progress update. Inspiration. Wait, which one's the photo? I can't tell. That looks like a leopard. Like a cougar.
I'm not done yet, guys. Don't you worry.
A cross between an ostrich and a leopard.
Sexy.
Looks like a humanoid. Like a human cat. Like, you're painting one someone from the movie Cats.
I think it looks good.
I know it's your favorite movie, but... Well, like, someone's like, which one's Lola? They'd be like, oh, who's that? And they'd be like, wow, AJ's is a masterpiece. It's uncanny.
What?
This brush is huge. I think we have no small ones left. I'll do whiskers then. Whiskers should be hard. Brush is too big. Whiskers. Finishing up now. Final stretch.
Final stretch. I'm almost done.
From her favorite movie, Cats.
I don't like the movie. I like the
No, I was pretty sure it's a movie.
the Broadway. But that just goes to show what you know, which is not much. Can you chill?
Nice.
Can I use
Pink,
water?
green, and yellow. These are not good. Oh, it's not bad.
Can I just have like some more water so I have like clean water? You need a little bit of pink too. No?
Pink?
Yeah, for the ears.
Do the pink?
Okay, so we're done our masterpieces. Come here. Come. Let's go. Up. Here. Of Miss Lola. Thanks for coming.
What do you think, Lola?
What do you think? Which one do you like, huh?
We didn't actually paint our cat.
Yeah.
As many would led you to believe.
We should show the audience what we came up with. Voila, our little portraits of Miss Lola. So cute.
Maybe if you're a lucky subscriber, we'll even mail you. We'll mail you the painting of your choice.
Yeah. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye.